you cannot answer, right? When Mr. T said see you at 9 o'clock in the morning at the pharmacy, why would he say something like that? So he said he saw you at 9 o'clock and then he saw you again at 3 o'clock. Why would he say that?
Alright, so let me tell you something about Mr. T. Mr. T is an introvert and he is an alcoholic. In order for him to speak to anyone, he has to be drinking.
That's your stepfather.
Right? That is my stepfather, and I call him daddy because he's the only father I've known since I was 3 months old.
Yeah.
Alright? So this is him, and even if I visit the home and Mr. Hi, you're good, that's it, and him go in the room and that is it. You not see him again because he's just not a very talkative person.
No, but you not answer my question, Shanique. Why would you say
I am going to get there. Going to get there. And the reason why I'm saying all of that is just to give you an idea of why I said what I'm going to say now.
Okay, alright.
Everything that he said, it happened, but his timing was very wrong. Every single thing that he said did happen, but the timing was wrong.
That I want to know if you make that circulate and regurgitate that in our brain. Everything him say, it was 100% right. I want to know if you make that circulate in our brain.
I, in fact, as I said, everything I said was true. I came on the 26th, which is the Friday, and then
I'm gonna show you something. Remember, you know, she said everything that Mr. T said, he is 100% right apart from his timing. So we are gonna forget about Mr. T and his timing, and we are gonna show you something. Listen.
Alright, but the thing what I want to know. Alright, so your stepdaughter now, cause nobody know. You already year old everything gonna like name the so you already year old. Everything go. So where was she in all this time?
My stepdaughter Friday morning, Friday morning reach hospital.
Yeah.
Release him. You understand? She don't come here. She don't come around.
So you can't defend her,
No, we can't defend her. Because Jayden was in school when she the hospital.
Yes.
When we left hospital, she left with the baby. And me and my wife and they were going home.
Yeah.
You know, I tell you.
So while
You remember Mr. T say? You remember what Mr. T say? Me pick up back who me carry, me pick up him daddy and him bigger brother. When they say yourself well, him and him wife and Goatee go home.
Jayden
Yo.
where was she at that time?
When no, we would know where Jayden go because they tell we the hospital.
No, man. While Jayden that's school.
Shanique and his friend when you Tommy when they in our area so was spiritual at the same time. But freshen up because you know carrying no clothes for Harry.
So this is what I want to say. Mr. T, she remember, you know, she said everything that Mr. T said is 100% right. So unless everybody gonna start pick where them feel says right and choose what them feel says right. Me attack what she said, and me attack what Mr. T said. Mr. T said she didn't bring no clothes from foreign. And me I go play she again said she didn't bring no clothes from foreign. Yet still, the itinerary that bar show we, it have a carry-on pan it. Yet still, the itinerary that fraud boss can show we have a carry-on bag pan it. So we have two people say them she never bring no clothes. And the itinerary say otherwise. No, I live in a country where them say pen and paper tell the most tales. But we are gonna listen some more.
You just go and spreadsheet up they tell you about female white boss.
Yeah, but not about time.
You not really remember.
So hold on. Unless we are getting these things wrong, because allegedly, from what Mr. T just said just a little while, him she go up. Him say him, but when he say him, I still she matter. So him, she, him go up for me wife, boss. Now, for Shani come tell we say she don't know Gabriel, falling Gabriel, none at all. That don't make no sense. That does not make no sense. You keep baby shower man place. You rent time man place. You decide. You never meet him yet. Papa Jesus.
So that school. You understand? Till him got the local fast food place. You understand? At that time, you know where on the road.
Yes. You see right here, sir? You see right here, sir?
Tiger, play it back a little bit, bring it back a little bit further. Right, bring it back a little bit further. I did play one part where I said, when in part where I talk about Tommy and Shani. Bring it back to that part a little bit.
I'm going to bring it back, but I want to listen to right here, sir. Listen to right here, sir. Don't listen to Mr. T answer. If you don't listen to Mr. T answer, you not going to get. You won't forget. Listen to the question, because there cannot be an answer without a question. Unless you know get up and answer things, so listen to the question right here, so.
Shani can tell me that's poetry. Yes, that's poetry.
Yeah, but the time now when Jayden supposed to that school, you understand? Till him got the local fast food place. You understand? At that time, you know where on the road.
Yes.
Hustling. You understand? So, that's a now.
Morning, Ruth. When you hear the question? At that time, when Jayden went to the little fast food restaurant. Now, we all know the fast food restaurant to be Little Caesar. You guys guess right. At that time, when Jayden went to the fast food restaurant, where was the hyena? No, Jayden did not went to the fast food restaurant with breaks time. Jayden did not went to the fast food restaurant lunchtime. Jayden went to the fast food restaurant when school dismissed.
Yeah, but the thing now, you don't know something that's spiritual and then people ask. Because of that,
yeah, me understand what you say. But me carry the bunch of kids go to Jamaica and right now.
No, me know, in the morning.
Yeah, well, I know, you know, train just pharmacy.
That's what time?
I'll be telling you, say, early
I go wheelie back. Because when I tell me, say, Mr. T is so drunk that Mr. T do not know early morning different from midday. I rest my case.
You know, I tell you.
So, well, but the thing what I want to know, alright, so, your stepdaughter now, because, remember now, you already hear all everything going, like me and the you already hear all everything go. So, where was she in all this time?
My stepdaughter Friday morning, Friday morning, reach hospital.
Yeah.
Release him, mother. You understand? She don't come here. She don't come here, sir.
So you can't defend her, not
no, we can't defend her. Because Jayden was in school when she in the hospital.
Yes.
Right, so let me tell you something. The hyena is an A-class liar. The hyena is an A-class liar. If she reach at Sangster's International Airport, even if we give her the benefit of the doubt and say she reach at Sangster's International Airport 12 o'clock, by the time she get to Mandeville, Jayden would have already left school. So for Mr. T to say Jayden was in a school, she have to get to Mandeville before 2:30. Comprende? Essay? Essay? Comprende? What you saying, Essay? Me no want to no go on like say Miss Carol never school me, no. Me no want to no go on like say Carol never school me. So when she go come out and come tell we say it was Saturday. It cannot be Saturday unless Uno go come back come tell we say Jayden was going to Saturday school. Unless Uno can show we proof of him going to Saturday school, take this Saturday out because I know everybody over here Sabbath. So take Saturday out it. Make we go back.
When we left hospital, she left with the baby. And me and my wife and them are going home.
Yeah.
You know,
So you see what the reptile is saying is a lot of people feel like the reptile are tell line, but it's very consistent, you know. The reptile is consistent. You hear him say? When them left the hospital, she leave there with the baby. And him and his wife and go to go home. Now, what did he say when he went home? He said he pick up back who him carry, which is Gotti and the wife, and pick up the bigger brother, and pick up Paul, and then went to the station. Complain there? See.
I tell you.
So while Jayden got up on the road,
So you tell me now, that is the man where them say drunk out time mine, you know. You're gonna tell me, say, you stand up on the roadside having an interview as a drunken man. First and foremost, a lot of drunken people them can't put two letters together, let on a status. And then somebody are gonna pass while in a drunken state having an interview and the person are gonna shout out, Tamo! And you're gonna shout out, yo! And go straight back into your interview. And you're telling me that is a man under the influence of J. Ray and his nephew? Me not buy that. That is too expensive. I am not buying it.
When no, we would know where Jayden go because they tell we don't hospital.
Well,
So you hear what I'm saying, that is key now. When them ask where Jayden, when him check say LL is where Jayden go. You hear him say? We wouldn't know where Jayden go because them time with the hospital. Meaning him and his wife and them I was at the hospital. Listen, you know. Listen. Me not make up it and I may say it at him. So any lie I tell it have to be him.
Tiger, that was a trick question by Ellie and him never fall feet cause him sober. That was
Right.
Ellie trying to trick him into saying something.
Yes, but what I am saying, even though it's a trick question, it's still answer piece of the puzzle. When the little boy leave school, him and his wife and Gotti was at the hospital. That's what he's trying to say right here, so listen to it.
Jayden, their school. Their son.
Jayden go because they tell we don't hospital.
No, man. While Jayden, their school. Their son.
Shani and his friend when you come in in our area so was spiritual at the same time. But freshen up because carrying no close family.
You listen to that part, that is the part of I want you hear him say. So I tell him it's not 9 o'clock. You hear what him say? When Jayden did at school, him say Shanique and her friend at the same time went to spiritual freshen up. It's in the evening it happened. Why him come with a 9 o'clock now? When you listen to it further, you got hear when LA asked him, where was what time was that in the morning? LA literally said in the morning, and that's all make him change him out now and say around 9 o'clock. So because true early did I say Shanique fly down early in the morning come relieve the mother. But him never say him carry the key them time there. A true LA reference but that time them just drop in the 9 o'clock.
No man.
Alright, listen to it back.
You see her in the early morning. Him see her, that's why him could have said she come down early in the morning.
Him when I you have to talk about that after you, and that is not that. I think that's why.
Even if him never give her the key in the morning, she was here from in the morning.